Hi everyone, this is Floyd and welcome to my channel. And for all of you who are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you get updates whenever I upload new videos. And for this episode, we're going to unbox this camera accessory that I've recently purchased. And I've been researching and looking for a good camera strap for my camera Canon G7X and also my Canon M50, which is currently recording right now. And I'm looking for the functionality that I can use the single strap for my two cameras. So I've been looking for quite some time now, and finally I found this brand called peakdesign. And I think peakdesign is quite popular to those people who are into photography and cameras. So it has a very good rating, customer satisfaction rating online. So without further ado, let's start unboxing this item. It shows here on the side that there's a strap. There's also 4 anchors included and also this metal hook, which is going to be placed under your camera. So the box has this flip type cover. It's a magnetic flip type cover, and you can quickly see the strap and what kind of material it is made of. And one thing I've noticed is this brand peakdesign, some of their models, they have replaced this with either Sony or whatever brand there is. So just be cautious on choosing the strap, because I almost bought the one with Sony and actually I have Canon. So just be cautious. So luckily I've noticed that one quickly, so just be cautious of it. And then you'll see here the anchor and also the specs of the strap. Now let's open the box and let's check the contents. Okay. So you have here your strap, then some info on how to use it, the anchor construction, how can you attach it, the different anchor placements for your camera. Now this thing, the pouch. It has a pouch, but on the side it doesn't say that the pouch is included. Okay, so you have here your strap. Okay, so you have here your strap with 2 attached anchors. Let's check out the pouch, what's inside. Okay, so this is the extra anchor. Okay, I think this one is a tool on attaching the metal attachment. Some card. Oh, I think this is a sticker. Yeah, it's a sticker. Okay, so there's another anchor and also the metal attachment for your camera. So you also get these 2 metal clips that you can place as a hook for your camera. Okay. Now guys, take note that this pouch, right, it's not indicated here. Even the metal clips, it's not indicated on the side of the box. So just be aware that yes, there's a free pouch for you to put your items or your extra hooks inside. Now what my plan is to place these 2 hooks for my M50 and also another 2 hooks for my Canon G7X. And what I love about this peakdesign is you can quickly remove the hooks or the anchors from the strap itself by just quickly pressing it, and you can remove the strap. So let's try to attach the strap to my Canon G7X. Okay, 1 metal clip attached. Let's put the other one. Okay. Now let's place the hooks. So now you can quickly switch your straps or place your straps to your camera. Just like that. Then I can place my extra anchors to my M50 and just use the same strap for both cameras. Now guys, just keep in mind that this version is Slide Lite. There's another one called Slide, which is a bit thicker and for bigger cameras. And also there's different versions of the Slide Lite already. Now I think this one is a version 3. They keep on improving the anchors, and if you have like more cameras, you can also buy more anchors online, so it's available online. Then you can just use the same strap for all of your cameras. That's the good thing about it, and it's very subtle. It doesn't shout any brand like Canon or Fuji. It's just a simple one. So that ends our video, and I hope you find this useful. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell so that you get updated whenever I upload new videos. And that's all for now, and I'll see you on my next video. God bless.